Today we are going to see about finding the square root of a polynomial by division method. Already we have done in factorization method. Now we are going to see the square root by division method. In your 10th standard, this is very important chapter. Algebra is very important chapter. This exercise is very important and very easy also, right? The division method, that one is in exercise 3.8. The first division, find the square root of the following polynomial by division method. The first problem, x power 4 minus 12x cube plus 42x square minus 36x plus 9, right? Here we are writing the question. Now we are going to do in division method. For this division method, you should leave some space in left hand side as well as in top also, and the right hand side also. You should leave some space. Okay. So now first you check whether the polynomial is in correct order. Here in the first variable having 4, then 3 and x power 2, then x, then constant. That one having in the correct order. So you have to write in the same polynomial here. X power 4 minus 12x cube plus 42x square minus 36x plus 9. So this is the same process what we are going to do, that is the same process. So listen carefully. First you take the first variable alone, right? In the first variable here what we are having here, x power 4, right? What is the square root of x power 4 ma? In the last exercise we have done, right? The square root of x power 4 is equal to x square. So first we should take the first variable alone and we find out the square root of x power 4, that is x square. So if we multiply x square into x square, what will we get? X power 4, right? After that, here you should change the sign, right? If x power 4 minus x power 4, this term will be cancelled, right? Next, take the next two variables, minus 2x cube plus 42x square, right? Next you should take the next two variables. First we have take only one variable, next we want to take the next two variables. The next step, right? First we take down the next two variable, after that only we will take the next step, right? Here what variable are we having here? X square, right? So multiply by this term, right? Multiply by this term into 2. So if you multiply by 2, you will get 2x square, right? 2x square. Then after that you should divide it by the first number and the first number, right? So minus 12x cube divided by 2x square. If we divide it by these two, you will get here minus 6. Minus 6, and here x cube minus x squared is x. So minus 6x. So you should take down the value here. Minus 6x. So you should write here and in the quotient also, right? So if you multiply minus 6x into 2x square, you will get minus 12x cube. After that minus 6x into minus 6x. You will get plus 36x square, right? So here also you should change the sign. Plus, here minus. So 12x cube minus 12x cube. 12x cube plus 12x cube. This will be cancelled. Here 42x square minus x square. 6x square will comes. After that, take down the next two variables, minus 36x plus 9, right? So next, that is the next process is what variable here you are having. In the first one, 2x square, you should write the same 2x square. Then after that you should multiply by 2 in the second number. So minus 12x, right? Now you divide it by the first variable to the first variable. So 6x square by 2x square. If you cancel these two, you will get 3, right? So you should write the 3 here and in the quotient also plus 3, right? So plus you should multiply by 3 into this 2x square minus 12x plus 3. So 3 into 2x square 6x square, then 3 into minus 12x minus 36x plus 3 into 3 plus 9, right? So change the sign, minus plus minus. Here everything will be cancelled, is equal to 0. So write the question, square root of x power 4 minus 12x square x cube plus 42x square minus 36x plus 9 is equal to, the answer you should write in the modulus, that is very important. So modulus of, what answer here you are having? X squared minus 6x plus 3. Check down this. So I again go through the steps. This is very important. For the square root of polynomial by division method is first step. First, இங்க வந்து ஸ்கொயர் பண்றோமா, ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணி அந்த வேல்யூஸ் எழுதிட்டோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் the steps are very important. That is, first you should take down only one variable. First ஒரு வேரியபிள் எடுக்கிறீங்க, சரியா? அதில் ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணியாச்சு. நெக்ஸ்ட் we are going to take next two variables. Next two variables எடுத்திருக்கோம். இந்த next two variables எடுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் we move on to the next one. சரியா? இந்த next stepல first you should multiply by 2. 2 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி இந்த வேரியபிள் எழுதுறோம். மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வேரியபிள் எடுத்து டிவைட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். சரியா? டிவைட் பண்ணி வந்த ஆன்சர் மட்டும் தான் you take down into this one minus 6x இங்கேயும் வரணும், இங்கேயும் வரணும். சரியா? So next என்ன பண்றோம்? we subtract the term, subtract பண்ணி variables, next two variables எடுத்துட்டு வரணும். Next two variables we bring into that. So அதை கொண்டு வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? இந்த 2x squared அப்படியே இருக்கு. இந்த 6x செகண்ட் டேர்ம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேர்மோட 2 மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிருக்கோம். சரியா? செகண்ட் டேர்ம்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேர்ம் அப்படியே எழுதிரணும். செகண்ட் டேர்மை 2 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். செகண்ட் டேர்மை 2 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் அதாவது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வேரியபிள் டிவைட் பண்ணி என்ன ஆன்சர் வருதோ அதை வந்து என்ன பண்ணணும்? கோஷன்ட்லயும் டிவிடெண்ட்லயும் சேர்க்கணும். சரியா? நம்மளோட டிவைசர்லயும் நம்மளோட கோஷன்ட்லயும் நம்ம எழுதிட்டு அதை வந்து சால்வ் பண்ணனா we get 0. Our answer should be in only in modulus, right? This is very, very important. So next we move on to the second problem. What I told in the first problem, you just recall that, okay? Then only you can do it very easy manner. So in the second problem, what they have given, 37x square minus 28x cube plus 4x power 4 plus 42x plus 9, right? So the first step, you should see the given polynomial is in order. That one having in order or not. First check whether that one, right. So, here that one having in don't have any order, isn't it. Here you can see that one is first one is x square, then x cube, then x power 4. So, first you rearrange that. By rearranging, the order, we get, first we rearrange that, after that only we should move on the steps, right. So, here I already told you, leave some space at the top, left hand side, right hand side, right. So, here which one is greatest greatest degree, here we are having 4x power. So, 4x power, the next one is x cube minus 28x cube. You should write along with the sign, right. So, plus 37x square plus 42x plus 9, right. So, in the last problem I have told you, take the first variable, right, take only the first variable 4x power 4. So, find the square root of that particular value. If suppose the square root of 4 power x 4 into x power 4 is 2x square. So, you should write here and in the top also 2x square into 2x square, 4x power 4. So, our answer is 2x square into 2x square, 4x power 4. After that, we will change the sign. If we change the sign, this term will be cancelled, right. Next, what we are going to do, next we take down the next two variable, minus 28x cube plus 37x square, right. Now, what is the next step? We should multiply by 2 to the first number. Here what we are having, 2x square. So, we should multiply by this 2x square by 2. So, what will we get? 4x square. After that, we divide it by the first variable and the first variable. Here minus 28x cube by 4x square. If we divide it by these two, minus 7 x cube minus x square, that means x will comes. So, minus 7x, you bring that variable to here, minus 7x, here also minus 7x. So, if we multiply these two, 4 into minus 7x minus 28x cube, next minus 7x into minus 7x plus 49x square, right. Next step, change the sign. What is the next step, change the sign. So, minus 28, this will be changed to plus. So, this will be cancelled. So, plus 37 minus 49. What is the answer? Minus 12x square, right. So, next we take down next two variables, plus 42x plus 9, right. What is the next step? So, here what we are having in the previous step, you should write the same variable in the first one, 4x square. In the second variable alone, you should multiply by 2. If you multiply by 2, you will get minus 14x. Now, you cancel the first term to first term, minus 12x square by 4x square. If you cancel these two, you will get only minus 3, right. So, here you should write the minus 3 and in the quotient also. Right. So, if we multiply by minus 3 into 4x square minus 12x square, next minus 3 into minus 14x plus 42x, then minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9, right. Next step, change the sign, plus minus minus. everything will be cancelled equal to 0, right? So again you should write the question here. What is the question? You should write the question. Square root of 37 x square minus 28 x cube plus 4 x power 4 plus 42 x plus 9. Rearrange பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் எடுத்த நீ steps அந்த problem அந்த question கூட you can take. Okay, so is equal to, what is the answer here? 2x square modulus of 2x square minus 7x minus 3. 2x square minus 7x minus 3. The modulus is very very important, right? Next, third problem. x power 4 plus 8x square plus 1, right? Here the problem is different, something different, isn't it? So for this problem, how can we do, ma? So so many terms are missing here, isn't it? The x cube is missing, x term is missing. For this missing term you should put 0 for instead of that. Can you understand? So here also I am going to write the same question, 16x power 4. Instead of that, the missing terms, we should write that 0x cube, right, along with the variable, then only you can do it very easily, plus 8x square plus 0x plus 1, right? So here also the same concept what we have done in the previous problem, right? So here the square root of 16x power 4 is equal to 4x square, right? So here also 4x square, in our quotient also 4x square. If we multiply these two, we will get 16x power 4, right? So here we should change the sign. So 16x power 4 minus 16x power 4, this term will be cancelled. So next take down the next two variables, 0x cube plus 8x square, right? What is the next step, ma? What we have done in the previous problems, we should multiply by 2 into this number, right? If we multiply by 2, what will we get, ma? 8x square, right? The next step is, first we complete this one, after that we take down the next two steps, next two variables here. Next step is what we have only one variable in the first step, we should multiply by 2. So we will get 8x square. After that we should divide it by the first term to first term, 0x cube by 8x square, 0 by anything 0, right? So here also we should put 0 and here also we should put 0, right? So 0 into anything 0 plus here also 0, right? So here this term fully 0. Here 8x square plus 0, which one comes here? 8x square, right? Next, take down the next two variables, right? Okay, next. What is the next step, ma? Can you remember that? So the next step is, here what we having the first number, we should write the same number, 8x square, then plus we should multiply by second term by 2. We should multiply the second term by 2. If we multiply by the second term 2 means we will get plus 0 only, right? After that the next step is the first number we will divide it by the first number by the first number. If the 0 make any confusion for you, you can take that 0, right? Now you can clear, I think. 0 confuse pannichina, you take out that 0. In the term abbe cancel panni abbe vechukonga. Then only you can get idea. That is very clear, right? The பாரு clear-ஆ இருக்கான்னு பாருமா. இந்த 8x squared இந்த term நம்ம cancel பண்ணிட்டோம். So இந்த 8x squared அப்படியே இருக்கு. Next two variables. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி பண்ண ப்ராப்ளம்ல என்ன பண்ணோம்? இந்த லாஸ்ட் டேர்ம் எப்பயுமே இருக்கும். அதுக்கு முந்தின டேர்ம் நமக்கு இருக்காது, கேன்சல் ஆயிருக்கும். ஸோ லாஸ்ட் டேர்ம் அப்படியே இருக்கு. ஸோ இந்த 0 உனக்கு கன்ஃபியூஸ் பண்ணுச்சுன்னா யூ டேக் அவுட் தட் 0. அப்படியே கேன்சல் பண்ணி அப்படியே வச்சுக்கோ இந்த ப்ராப்ளம்க்கு மட்டும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ 8x square plus 0x அப்போ 3 இருக்கு. 3 வேரியபிள்ஸ் தான் நமக்கு இருக்கணும் தேர்ட் ஸ்டெப்பில். ஸோ ஹியர் we are having 3 variables, right? So inga second step enama இந்த 8x square அப்படியே இருக்கும் 0 into 2. So 0 into 2 here only 0. இது வந்து 0 தான். ஓகேவா? So the first term we divided by first term we will get plus 1. ஓகேவா? So here also you should put plus 1 and in the quotient also you should put plus 1. ஓகேவா? So if we multiply these two, 8x square plus 0x, right, plus 1. 0x போட்டாலும் 0 போட்டாலும் ஒன்று தான். ஓகேவா? minus minus minus. So this term will be cancelled. So write the question. Square root of 16x power 4 plus 8x square plus 1 is equal to modulus of 4x square plus 1. The last problem. 121 x power 4 minus 198 x cube minus 183 x square plus 216x plus 144. Whenever you write the question, you just check whether the minus plus or you are writing correctly or not, right? So this is the question. So I already told you, you leave some space, right? So the first step is you just check whether the degrees are having in the order. In this problem you are having correctly, right? So you take down the same question. 121 x power 4 minus 198 x cube minus 183 x square plus 216 x plus 144, right? What is the first term? The previous problem, 2 problems we have done, right? The first step is we should take only one variable, the first variable. Here what we are having 121 x power 4. The square root of 121 x power 4 is equal to 11 x square. So you should write here 11 x square, here also 11 x square. So 11 into 11 x square 121 x power 4, right? So here you should change the sign. If you should change the sign, the term will be cancelled, right? So take down the next two variables, 198 minus 198 x cube minus 183 x square, right? What is the next step, ma? We should multiply by 11 x squared into 2. So that is 22 x squared. After that, we should divide it by the first variable to first variable. So 198 x cube by 22 x square. So if you cancelling these two 11s are 22, here 1, 8, then if you cancelling these two, minus 9 x cube minus x divided by x to x power 2, you will get only x. So, minus 9x will be comes here. So, minus 9x in the quotient also minus 9x. If you are multiply by 9x, minus 9x into 22x square, you will get minus 198x cube. After that, if you are multiply by minus 9x into minus 9x, you will get plus 81x square. After that, you should change the sign, minus, here also minus. So, the term will be cancelled, minus 183 minus 188, because here also we are having minus. So, we should add these two. If we adding these two, we will get 4, 6, 2. So, minus 264x square. After that, what is the next step, ma? We take down the next two variables, that is plus 216x, then plus 144, right? The next step, what is the next step, ma? We should write the same term in the third step, 22x squared multiply by 2s to the second variable alone. So, minus 9 into minus x into 2, what will we get? 18x, minus 18x. So, first term we will be cancel the first term, minus 264 divided by 22x square, minus 264x square plus 22x square. If we cancel these two, 122 is 22, here 122 is 22, then 222s are 44, x squared cancel. So, minus 12. So, minus 12, here also minus 12 will comes. If we multiply by minus 12 into 22x square, minus 264x square, minus 12 into minus 18x plus 216x, minus 12 into minus 12 plus 144. So, we should change the sign here, plus, minus, minus. So, everything will be cancelled, we will get 0. So, again you should write the question here, square root of 121 x power 4 minus 198 x cube minus 183 x square plus 216 x plus 144 is equal to, you should write our answer is in the modulus, right? So, that is 11x square modulus of 11x square minus 9x minus 12. Okay, take down this. Thank you, children.